Hello dear student, welcome back in the second part of this antiprotozoal agent in which we are dealing with the antiamoebic agents, and few of the compounds are remaining, so we'll see these. Amongst these is halogenated hydroxyquinolin. In this first diiodohydroxyquinolin, so it is actually the pale yellow color, yellowish brown color and odorless. It's a tasteless and microcrystalline powder and very slightly soluble in water. It should be stored in tightly closed light resistance container. Then uses of these hydroquinol is concerned. This is an antiamoebic agent. It is used in the treatment of amoebic dysentery, asymptomatic cyst passer. So in these particularly treatment of these hydroquinol is used as a hydroquinol as an antibacterial agent, as antifungal in various skin conditions and acute dermatitis. So for this also topically it may be used for the treatment of these various skin conditions and acute dermatitis. Pharmaceutical formulation includes the hydroquinol tablet, dihydrohydroxyquinolin pessaries. Now the brand names such as diidoquine, metroquine and amobiotic. Diidoquine, this is a brand which is available in the tablet 650 mg tablet, which has these hydroquinol. Next, hydrochlorohydroxyquinolin, hydrochlorohydroxyquinolin, which is called as Cleoquinol. So this is actually the yellow, white, brownish yellow, faint, tasteless powder, very slightly soluble in water, and it should be stored in tightly closed light resistance container. These are the storage instructions. As per the uses, it is used in the treatment of amoebic dysentery. So popularly used in the treatment of amoebic dysentery, or it may be a bacillary dysentery, the Cleoquinol is most popularly used, as well as for the treatment of the skin conditions such as dermatitis as an antifungal agents also. Topically mostly it is applied in the form of cream, so as an antifungal and dermatitis, for the treatment of dermatitis. So pharmaceutical formulation depending on their use: Cleoquinol cream for topical use, Cleoquinol ointments and the compound Cleoquinol ointment, as well as hydrocortisone with the steroid combination are also there, that is betamethasone. With the betamethasone is called as betanoid, the brand betanoid, hydrocortisone and Cleoquinol ointments. This is again one of the formulation. Then zinc paste, calamine and Cleoquinol bandage. So this is again one of the formulation of this Cleoquinol. Brand names including enteroquinol, enteroformin and betnovit, mexaform and metroquine. So these are the ones. This is a popular brand cream available which prepared by the Glaxo, and betamethasone with the Cleoquinol cream topically applied mostly for the treatment of the skin condition and the fungal as antifungal agents. Then enteroquinol, this is a brand enteroquinol which will be used in the treatment of dysentery, bacillary dysentery, or like it may be amoebic dysentery as per the users prescribed. This is the most popular formulation or a brand available in the market called as enteroquinol. Next compound that is called as diaxonal fluoride. So as far as the physical properties, diaxonal fluoride is a white color, it's odorless, it is tasteless, crystalline powder and very slightly soluble in water. Chemical properties include the when its solution in the pyridine is treated with the tetrabutyl ammonium bromide, it forms the salt. Now stability, it is stored in tightly closed light resistance container. The uses of diaxonal fluoride, it is used in the treatment of amoebic dysentery, symptomatic cyst passer, like in the particularly those are symptomatic cyst passers. In that also presence of cyst in the say fecal matter has been to be identified or diagnosed, and on that basis it may be used in the symptomatic cyst passer. Hepatic abscesses in combination with the chloroquine and metronidazole. So these are the cysts, actually one of the stage of the stropozoid or the Antiamoeba histolica, in which in the form of cyst it is to be transmitted from one person to another person by fecal oral route. So particularly those are like carriers of the cyst which are not showing any symptom, but they are able to transmit the infection, are called as symptomatic cyst passer. So for this also, these patients are again the treatment of diaxonal fluoride in order to kill these cysts or amoebocytes or Antiamoeba histolica. Next, pharmaceutical formulation include Diaxonal Fluoride tablet. The brand names includes the Antiamoebic, Flagyl DF. DF stand for Diaxonal Fluoride, as well as Diloxil. These are the brands, popular brands available for Diaxonal Fluoride. Next and last, antiamoebic agent that is called as paramomycin. Actually, it is an antibiotic which is used as an antiamoebic agent. Physical properties: cream white yellow color, which has odorless, tasteless, as far as the nature, which is a hygroscopic powder. Then it is very soluble in water. Now storage conditions are as usual. It should be stored in tightly closed light resistance container. Uses to treat the intestinal amoebiasis. So intestinal amoebiasis, it is to be focused, as well as the systemic infections such as the leishmaniasis called as Kala-Azar. In amoebic dysentery, first use, that is used in the treatment of intestinal amoebiasis called as amoebic dysentery. And next one, the treatment of leishmaniasis, which is called as Kala-Azar. Such type of infection is shown in the figure, can again be treated by using this paramomycin as an antiamoebic agents. Next, because these Kala-Azar is being spread by these sand fleas, and which are being transmitted from one person to another person, that it is in the treatment of Balantidiasis, diarrhea type of symptoms due to the Balantidium coli. So paramomycin can again be used in the treatment of Balantidiasis. Next, as an anthelmintic also, for in order to eradicate the worms from the GI tract, as like it kills the Entamoeba histolica in the intestine or on the intestinal lumen. So same way it can be able to paralyze and eradicate the worms also. That worm infection we are calling the helminthiasis, and the drug used in the treatment of helminthiasis called as anthelmintics. So this paramomycin can again be acting as a anthelmintics also. It has an anthelmintic property also to eradicate the worms from GIT. Next, pharmaceutical formulations such as paramomycin sulfate tablet, then paramomycin sulfate syrup, and the brand names include the Paramycina and Hamagel. These are the brands for the given drug paramomycin, in which formulations or in this under this brand this paramomycin is available in the market. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching these antiamoebic agents. Thanks. Please be in touch. Thank you so much.